What you got? Who's it from?
Miss Crazy.
See what it is.
It's a dream light.
Did you want a dream light?
What I always wanted.
That's what you always wanted.
Hey, where's... That doesn't look like a dream light.
Pull it out.
But it is.
Pull it out of the bag.
Wait. Where's the unicorn? Oh, I see it. A dream light. And it's just like Susan.
Yeah? Are you excited?
Yes. I love it. Thanks, Mommy.
It's from Miss Crazy. Can you say thank you to Miss Crazy?
Thank you, Miss Crazy. I couldn't get the package out.
Blow her a kiss.